Hi, I'm Randy Becker with Keysight Technologies. I'm here at IMS in Denver 2022. Today I'm going to give you a quick overview of our sub-THz 6G testbed that people are using to explore different facets of 6G where people want to do extremely wide bandwidths and also very high frequencies. So what we have here is our AXI chassis with a number of different modules installed in it. We have a very high performance arbitrary waveform generator with sample rates up to 65 gigasamples per second, giving you up to 20 gigahertz of modulation bandwidth, and we also have a digitizer for doing the analysis. In this demo, we're taking the baseband IQ out of the arbitrary waveform generator and running it into the device under test. The device under test in this case is a Nokia radio on glass solution that we're generating a signal in D-band at 141 gigahertz. That comes out of the radio on glass and goes through their phased array antenna. So this is actually forming a beam. You'll notice that the antenna positioner is rotating periodically. When the antenna positioner moves, we're electrically steering the beam back towards our probe antenna, which you can see over there. We have some absorber material to cut down on the reflections, but it's captured to the horn antenna. Just behind that absorber is a VDI down converter. Also at D-band, we take the output from the down converter at about 15 gigahertz. We run that back along the table, back into the digitizer, where we capture those signals and then feed them to the VSA software for demodulation. If we come up here to the middle of the screen, we can see those results. We can see in this example, we're using a fairly straightforward modulation, QPSK. You see the bandwidth here. We have a span of just 2 gigahertz, so we're generating something just under 2 gigahertz. You can see the equalizer response, the impulse response, and the demodulated data bits. And I'll put my hand over the front of this, and you can see that the constellation does go away when I cover it up, and then reappears in a second after it's re-equalized. That shows some of the flexibility and capability that you can do with the 6G testbed. If you'd like to learn more, contact Keysight.com. Thanks for watching.